Brentford versus Wolves for the Premier League. Obviously, he's not hiding the fact that Wolves are struggling. I don't think they've improved any at all since they got rid of Bruno. And then when you compare that to Brentford, who are having quite a steady, good season, playing good football, getting some good results. Obviously, Brentford at home. And yes, this week I'm probably going to be a Fave backer because, if I'm honest, I can't see anything more than the Brentford win. So that being said, I'm going to go for Brentford to win 3-0.